What you need is black seed powder. Abati saudat. You can get the black seed yourself and then blend it into a powder form. Okay, so or you buy the powder. Anyhow you do it, that's fine. Get black seed and then get your honey. This is my natural honey, by the way. This is not the container of honey. I just kept it inside. So this is my natural honey. And then you get some garlic. So you need black seed, honey and garlic. Okay, so what you do is to get a container like this or a bottle. A container like this, make sure it is clean and it is an airtight container as well. So you are going to fill up honey up to this side or this side, depending on how you like it, because this is something if you take every day, it is equally very good for you. Okay, very good for your health, very good for your skin, and very good for down there as well. So if you put the honey up to this side, make sure the honey is natural. Then you add like 3 tablespoons, 3 teaspoons or 4 teaspoons of black seed inside the honey. And then you, depending on how much you love cloves, or you can take clove. If you can't, garlic. If you can't take garlic that much, please use 1. If you are someone who is very okay with garlic, and if you are someone who wants to be treated, then please, I will advise you go from 3 cloves onwards. So you just remove 3 of this garlic. You can go with 4, you can go with 5. Grate it and add it to this combo and mix it very well. After you mix it, you are going to close it, and every morning you take 1 spoon, evening you take 1 spoon, afternoon you take 1 spoon. So 3 times a day. You use the same spoon and take it 3 times a day. Okay, morning, afternoon, evening. Morning, afternoon, evening. My dear, Bismillah ta'ala, put your faith in it. Whenever you are going to take it, pray before you take it. Pray that this is your last stop to your problem. Okay, pray that this particular remedy is the last stop, and it is surely going to happen. Okay, inshallah, you are going to be healed. Okay, try this and you will never regret it. Okay, love you. Thanks very much for your support. Keep on supporting me with your comments, your like, and your share. And please don't forget to follow me. Okay, don't forget to follow me. If any question, come to the comment section. Love you.